Today is an introduction to probability. So, the first question I want to ask you, what do you already know about probability? Probability is the chance of something happening or not happening. It is always between 0 and 1, or 0% and 100%. So, if an event has a 0 probability, it means it's impossible. There's a 0% chance it could happen, such as a T Rex attacking the school. If an event has a probability of 1, that means it's certain to happen. 100% certain to happen. An example would be the sun coming up tomorrow. That is a certain event. Let's do a practice. So, a bag contains 4 blue marbles, 2 red marbles, 3 yellow marbles, and 1 green marble. Red is your favorite color. What is the chance you reach in and grab your favorite color? Okay, what do you think here? The way we solve this problem is we create a ratio of the desired outcome over the possible outcomes. So a desired outcome is the number of ways the favorable event could happen. So there are 4 red marbles in the bag and 4 of your favorite color. So the red marbles are the desired outcome, and that's 4. Possible outcomes are all the ways something could happen. So there's a total of 10 marbles in the bag. So we would write this as 4 over 10. So the probability of choosing a red marble is 4/10. So probability can be written in multiple ways. It can be written as a fraction, like we just found. It can also be written as a percent and as a decimal. So how could we write 4/10 as a percent? 4/10 as a percent would be 40%. You can use the giant 1 to get it to a fraction out of 100, because percent really means per 100. And that would get us 40 out of 100, which is 40%. How could we write it as a decimal? Well, we would take our percent, 40%, and we would move the decimal from behind the 0 over 2 to get 0.4. Okay, we drop the 0 at the end. So 0.4 would be the probability of choosing a red marble out of that bag. What we just found is called theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is probability that is calculated mathematically based on what is expected to happen. Okay? Tomorrow, we are going to be making predictions using probabilities.